Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. So, as always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Judy. Good morning, Mike. All right, it is time for us to start. And now that we've gone through the seven basic rights, identities, and demons represented by our chakras, in the next week we will focus on balancing each chakra one by one, combining all the knowledge we've gained so far. We will start with the root chakra. Take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle in. As always, gently scan your body to notice what's going on for you today, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you? Your breath nice and easy, don't try to control it. Connect with your root chakra now. It is located at the base of your spine. You may imagine a sphere of red light emanating energy from within you and into the world, further and further out as far as you can feel. The Sanskrit name of this chakra, Muladhara, can be translated as root support. So from your root chakra, imagine growing roots into the earth, receiving its support. At the same time, allow yourself to grow secondary roots that connect you with everybody in your life who provides support of any kind for you. Your friends, your partners, pets, parents, spiritual guides. Feel the power of this root system, this amazing support that is always there, even though sometimes you simply forget about it. Let every cell of your body get filled with this support, this red light, this energy of your root chakra. With this, settle into your physical identity. Remember that you are allowed to take as much space as you want and need on this earth. So claim the space without any fear. It's your birthright. In the endocrine system, the root chakra corresponds to the adrenals, the glands producing hormones that help regulate your metabolism, blood pressure, and your response to stress. So now visualize how these glands that are located right above each kidney are getting nurtured by this red energy of your root chakra. getting all the nourishment and support that they need. Feeling your connection with the earth element, the element of the root chakra, taking up as much space as it feels good right now, nourishing your adrenals, remembering your right to take space. Repeat these affirmations after me, mentally or out loud. It is safe for me to be here. The earth supports me and meets all my needs. I love my body and trust its wisdom. I am immersed in abundance. I am here and I am real. Now imagine your root chakra as a beautiful red flower at the base of your spine. We're going to repeat the Bija mantra for the root chakra. Lam, 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 7 times. With each repetition, see this flower opening its petals more and more, blooming without fear. Lam, 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 Lam. Stay in the space that you have created through this practice. Enjoy it. And maybe ask yourself, what is that I need right now the most? And receive the message through words, images, sensations. What is it that I need the most right now? As you go through your day today, I invite you to notice when you start feeling disconnected from your body, from this world, from life itself. When you feel scared that for some reason your needs may not be met. When you feel like you're losing your ground. In these moments, remind yourself of your root support system, the earth supporting you, people in your life supporting you. Life itself is designed to provide you with whatever you need. and remind yourself, I am here. I am real. And all is well in my world. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day. Tomorrow is Amethyst's practice, and I will see you on Thursday.